Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Sure, I'd be happy to provide you with a tutorial on how to remove double quotes from a string when reading in a text file using Python. Double quotes are often used to delimit strings in text files, and sometimes you may want to remove them for various reasons. Here's a step-by-step guide with a code example to achieve this. Step 1. Create a sample text file. To begin, let's create a sample text file containing strings enclosed in double quotes. You can do this manually or using code like this. This will create a file called sample.txt with some lines containing double quoted strings. Step 2. Read and remove double quotes. Now, let's write Python code to read the text file, remove the double quotes, and save the modified content to a new file. We'll use the open function to read and write files and regular expressions to remove double quotes. In this code. Step 3. Verify the result. After running the code, you can check the cleaned _sample.txt file to see the content without double quotes. It should look like this. Step 4. Error handling. Remember to add appropriate error handling to your code, such as handling file not found or permission issues, to ensure the reliability of your application. That's it. You have successfully removed double quotes from a string when reading in a text file using Python. You can modify this code to suit your specific requirements for processing text files. ChatGPT